In this video, you will learn how to add a first name in Mailchimp emails. This process allows for a more personalized touch in your email campaigns, enhancing engagement with your recipients. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp platform. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Mailchimp website address. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in with your account credentials if you are not already logged in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Next, locate the section labeled Automations in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on this option to access automation features. This will direct you to a new screen where you can manage your automated campaigns and workflows. After that, find and click on the button that says Create. This button is typically located on the upper right side of the screen. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select different types of campaigns. Choose the option that suits your needs. Once this appears, look for the option labeled Replicate. Clicking this will allow you to create a copy of an existing campaign. You will see a list of your campaigns. Select the one you wish to replicate. This action will take you to the editing interface for that campaign. Now proceed to click on Edit Design. This option is usually found in the campaign editing area. After selecting it, the design editor will open, allowing you to customize your email layout and content as needed. Next, drag a paragraph block from the content section and position it in the center of your email. This action will create a space where you could insert personalized content. Ensure the paragraph block is placed correctly to enhance your. Then locate and click on Merge Tags within the editing options. This feature allows you to insert dynamic content into your email. After clicking, a menu will appear showcasing various merge tags that can be utilized in your email. Finally, select first name popular from the merge tag options. This will insert a placeholder into your email content that pulls the recipient's first name from your contact list. Ensure that the merge tag is correctly positioned within your text for seamless personalization. After completing these steps, review your email to ensure all details are correct. You should see the first name placeholder integrated into your message. This will display the recipient's first name when the email is sent. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.